Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with our maths. Now in the last class we have started the chapter measurements. We will be continuing with that chapter only on page number 131. So let us see now here what we have to do. I play in the park every evening. Here I am with my friends on the seesaw. The heavier side goes down and the lighter side goes up. See here. Here it is equal. Both the sides have same weight. Here this side is light, so it will go up, and this side is heavy, so it will go down. Now here this side is heavy, so it will be down, and this side is light, so it will go up. Now what we have to do over here, students? See here 4 pictures are given. We have to see which side will be heavier. जो side नीचे की तरफ है, that will be heavier. So that we will write H. H for heavier. And which side is upstairs, which is on the upper side, that will be lighter. So that we will write L for lighter. Now see the first one. See here one watermelon is there and here mango is there. So watermelon will be heavy. So we have written H over here and L is written over here. Now here this is a television and these are some books. So television will be heavy. So we will write H over here. And the books will be lighter. So we will write L. Yes. Then see here a mouse is there and a dog is there. The dog will be heavy, so here we will write H. Yes, and the mouse will be lighter, so we will write L. Then see this. Here, I think this is a pillow, and then there is some powder substance. This is like some salt. So this is heavier. So we will write H over here because it is down. Okay, and this one is upward. So this will be lighter, so we will write L over here. Then let us see the next page. Okay, here we will see here the comparison is given, like here book is there. My book weighs as much as 2 pencil boxes. Now see here, if there is one pencil box, it is, see here it is empty and the book is on the other side, and here there is book and there is one pencil box. Still the book is heavier, so it is, they are not equal. The book is down, a little on the downside. Now if we put the 2 pencil box, it is equal. So the book weighs equal to 2 pencil boxes. Now here we will see 3 mangoes weigh as much as dash oranges. See on this one side 3 mangoes are given and we have to find out it is equal to how many oranges. Count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So write over here 7. Then 4 books. See over here 4 books are there. They weigh as much as how many bottles? This is 1 bottle. Yes. Then see the next one. 8 pencil weigh as much as dash sandwich. See, 8 pencil. Your 8 pencils are there. It weighs as much as how many sandwiches? Only 1 sandwich. So we write over here 1. Then 2 snack boxes weigh as much as how many dusters? See how many dusters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So write over here 5. Yes. Now similarly we will do the next page also. Okay, it is similar only. I carry a banana to school every day. The banana weighs about, see, on one side there is banana and on the other side there are how many clay balls? 3 clay balls. Now similarly, my water bottle weighs how many clay balls? Count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we'll write over here 7. Then my maths book weighs how many clay balls? On one side the maths book is there and on the other side how many clay balls are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we will write over here 5. Okay. Then yes, a box of cornflakes at home weighs about how many clay balls? See, a box of cornflakes is there and here the clay balls are there. Count how many clay balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So write over here 5. Okay, so 2 things are given and we have to compare that one thing is equal to how many of the other clay balls. Now similarly, look at this one also. This is also the comparison, like how many glass it will hold. See, this is my glass of milk and this is my brother's glass of milk. We have to find out which will hold more glasses. We can find out by pouring in other containers. Then like see this one. Here a jug is there here and here a small mug is given. Which will hold more? किसमें ज़्यादा हम milk या फिर पानी डाल पाएंगे? जग में या फिर mug में? Will be able to pour more liquid in the jug. So circle this one. Yes. Then see this one. A small cup is given and a mug is given. Which will hold more? It will be in this. It will be in this cup. Okay. Now see this page. Here also we have to see how much will the mugs hold. Now here one jug can hold 2 mugs. हम ये जब 2 mugs इस जग में डालेंगे तो ये जग फुल हो जाएगा. तो हमको क्या फाइंड करना है? अगर 2 jugs, if you want to fill 2 jugs, तो हमें कितने mugs चाहिए? I am underlining it over here, students. You can color at home, okay? So 1 jug में हम लोग 2 mugs डाल सकते हैं. तो अगर 2 jug है तो और 2 mugs आएंगे. So it will be 4. Then see, there are 3 jugs. So how many mugs we will need? In one it will be 2. Then in the second jug 2 more mugs we will put, and in the third jug we will put 2 more mugs. So it will be 6. Then 4 jugs are there. एक jug में हम 2 mugs डाल सकते हैं. So this 2 mugs in one jug, then other 2 mugs in the second jug. Then in the third jug 2 mugs, and in the fourth jug 2 more mugs. So it will be 8 mugs. Okay, I have underlined over here. You can color it. Okay, so this chapter is over. Yes, chapter checkup you can do for homework. Okay, it is like the same exercises only what we have done. So you can practice this chapter checkup at home. Yes, and this chapter will start, chapter number 9 will start afterwards. Okay, so complete this much till here. Page number 137. Yes, chapter checkup you complete for homework. This much will be completing today. Okay, students?